Namaste students, Hamisha Kushrovitya. I am JV'n's Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jayoti Vidhyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we are going to discuss the topic feeding strategies in animals, and this topic comes under the subject behavioral science. So let's start. So animals are the heterotopic animals, and they do not make their food on. Uh, they are dependent on the food which is prepared by the plants directly or indirectly. They dependent on the other organisms, living or dead, to acquire the organic nutrients. And the animals have a variety of strategies for the food. So one of the strategies is the grazing, and grazers crop grasses and other plants on land or scrap algae and other organisms from surface in water. They include animals as diverse as the snails, grasshoppers, geese, rodents, kangaroos, and the other mammals. Next type of method of fooding is the browsing. So the terrestrial browsers nip foliage from trees and shrubs. They include the caterpillars, tortoise, uh, crows, giraffes, goats, antelope, and various other animals. In aquatic habits, browsers feed on algae, aquatic plants, and corals, and include sea sludge, sea urchins, parrotfish, ducks, etc. Next type is the eating nectar, fruit, pollen, and seeds. So the plants, other than the fruits, they also have um, the other type of the food material, and some of the material is for the uh, small animals like the bees, flies, moths, butterflies, and bats. uh, they spread pollen from one flower to another, and sugary fruits, insect birds, monkeys, food bats, bears, elephants, and humans also benefited from the material which is prepared by the flowers and other plants. Burrowing is another type of the food strategy, and animals burrow into their food, eating a tunnel as they go. So these include many herbivores such as the bark beetles, fly, and moth larvae called the leaf miners, wood burrowing termites, etc. Next is the filter feeding. And the filter feeding is a common strategy in aquatic habitats, and especially the oceans. So it uses anatomical device that act as strainers to remove small food items from the water. Sessile filter feeders such as brancals, oyster, panforms, and other tunicates sit in one place, pumping seawater and straining plankton from it. Next type of fooding habit is the suspension and deposit feeding. So another form of small particulate food in aquatic habits is the steady rain or organic matter that settle to the bottom, living and dead planktons and bites of dead animals, etc. So the suspension feeders pick this material from the water, and it falls, and deposit feeders consume it after it settles in the bottom. Next type of feeding habit is the predation. Predator are animals that depend on killing other animals out state, and since other animals have evolved defense against predation, hard shells, toxins, and ability to fight back, or simply running or flying away. Predators have evolved a wide range of strategies for capturing their prey. Next type is the symbiosis, maybe mutualism or the commensalism. Uh, in the symbiosis include mutually beneficial relationship. In this relationship, all the both of the animals may be benefited or may be not giving uh, any reward, but they do not harm each other. Okay, in one case, that is the parasitism, the animal can be harmed by the animal which depends on it. Next is the scavenging. Finally, fortunately for the planet's hygiene, many animals belong to community of scavengers. They feed on the organic refuse such as the manure, like the dung beetles, flies, leaf litter like the snails, millipedes, earthworms, and the dead animals like the profiles, vultures, and the hind stalks. Thank you. Hope you are satisfied with this tutorial session. And if you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve your query. This session is powered by digital version 2, Jyoti Vidhyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.